All right, guys, we are back with another video. I have decided to put an exhaust on the bike, and I took the mirrors off as well, and it looks so much better like this. Here, let's get a good look at it. It's just so much more aggressive this way. So I'm not going to start at my garage. I am going to tell you outside start it. This is the Dominator HP3 without the DV killer. It is pretty loud, but I love it. We are still at 473 miles, so we still got to break it in a little bit. So we're just gonna go take a quick little ride. It's about 50 degrees out, so still a little chilly. I will say getting this exhaust on was not as easy as I expected it to be. You got to unbolt the radiator, and there's a bracket up underneath down here on the inside that you have to take out to get to the middle header bolt, and it is not easy to get to. I struggled a little bit with it, but I had a buddy over and he helped me out with it, so it didn't take too long. It took about an hour to do. That quick shifter down, it sounds so good with this exhaust. Woo! thing sounds so good. Also, I can smell the fumes because of how new it is. Alright, so there you have it. Little ride with the new exhaust. We will get off and take a look at it real quick. There it is, the Dominator HP3. No mirrors anymore, and the gold levers should be here next week. I also have a front axle slider and some other frame sliders coming because the last ones didn't fit. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.